Hello everybody, this is Val with
This is how we do it.
Hello, my beautiful people. This is Val. This is how you do it. I am finna cook some chicken and some cauliflower, teriyaki cauliflower in the um, air fryer. First, I'm gonna grease this tray here and put the chicken on. And while I'm greasing that tray, I'm greasing that bottom tray, the silver tray, at the same time. I'll close this up. Got a few pieces of chicken in here that came from here. And I'm going to place it on the rack. Just like that. And then I'm going to take this, make sure that it's in the camera view here. And turn it down. Take this. And I'm just lay them on there. My goodness. Crumbs and all. Let's spread them out. See, the bag didn't say put the sauce on it. Okay, once it get hot, you toss it in the sauce. So we're gonna put it in the cooker for 20 minutes, both of them. Let's see, put this one on this rack. And put the cauliflower on the bottom rack.
Yeah, go ahead.
No,
Yeah, I couldn't find no like I need everybody was dropping
For 20 minutes, I'll say. And we'll see it when it come out. Was leaning on the outside of the machine because it just make that noise when it came on. So I just moved it out the way, and now it's not as noisy. This is a air fryer by Power LX air grill fryer, and I have it on air and grill right now. Okay, people, it's finished now. We're gonna take it over and toss it in the sauce. That's the teriyaki sauce, and here's the cauliflower, and I'm gonna toss them in there like that. And shake them up. They say toss them, shake them up like that. Try to get the sauce, teriyaki sauce, all over it. Let's see, can I get a plate and see what it looks like?
I'm supposed to say it's a private group. That mean they ain't I'm sorry.
See? And that's the way it looks. Looks good, doesn't it? And the chicken, don't let me forget to show you how that looks. Looks like this. Everything looks good. And let me put the chicken on the plate too so y'all can see how that looks too. And there we go. And both done in the air fryer. And this is Val. This is how you do it. I see all you beautiful, beautiful, beautiful people on the next video. Bye bye now.